Day 1. Korean grammar Imnika and Imnida. The meaning is, am, are. You can use Imnika and Imnida at the end of your sentence in polite format. Imnika is used to ask a question and Imnida is used for answer and other normal sentences. You can use Imnika and Imnida after your noun. Now here are some examples.
학생입니까? Are you student? 네, 저는 학생입니다. Yes, I am a student. 여기는 학교입니까? Is this a school? 네, 학교입니다. Yes, this is a school. 그는 선생님입니까? Is he a teacher? 네, 그는 선생님입니다. Yes, he is a teacher. 오늘은 월요일입니까? Today is Monday. 네, 오늘은 월요일입니다. Yes, today is Monday. 이것은 책입니까? Is this a book? 네, 책입니다. Yes, this is a book. 한국 사람입니까? Are you Korean? 네, 저는 한국 사람입니다. Yes, I am Korean. 저기는 집입니까? Is that a house? 네, 집입니다. Yes, that is a house. 이름이 뭐입니까? What is your name? 제 이름은 민수입니다. My name is 민수. 여기는 시장입니까? Is this a market? 네, 시장입니다. Yes, this is a market. 그는 의사입니까? Is that person a doctor? 네, 의사입니다. Yes, he is a doctor.
학생, student. 네, yes. 저는 여기 here 학교, school. 선생님, teacher. 오늘 today, 월요일, Monday. 이것은 this 책, book. 한국 사람, Korean person. 저기 there. 집, house. 이름, name. 뭐, what, my. 제 이름은 my name. 시장, market. 의사, doctor.
For more videos, follow my channel, Korean Pen.